Welcome back, everybody. It's been a little while. I've been out doing things. I have not been editing videos. Today I've got a great video for you. A little bit different. I try to change things up to keep it interesting. Show you things that not everybody sees or knows how to do. Today we're going to be removing a swamp cooler. I know, some of you are already be like,
is a swamp cooler?
some people call it an evaporative cooler. When you are planning to sell a house to a bunch of millennial yuppies that got more money than sense, they want forced air conditioning, forced air, cold air that comes out of vents. They don't want anything on their roof that has the name swamp. No swamp coolers for these people. The price of real estate is out of control. It's undescribable. Words can't describe how. I don't even know if it's real, if it's fake. Are people gonna lose their tail like they did in 2008? Some people say no. No, these people actually have money. They have jobs. They have to put money down. They have to get approved for a real loan. We'll get into the listing price of this house that I've been working on sometime in the future. You will definitely want to be sitting down, and some of you might want to have a pair of Depends on. You might be wondering why I have a small solar farm behind me. We'll get to that in just a minute. So the sun's gonna set in 2 hours, and I have to have this hole dried in before I can leave. This hopefully only takes 45 minutes to have this completely off the roof. Let's see here. I'm gonna start with the electrical, and then we got these nuts here that support the fan. I'm gonna take the motor off. Basically, I'm gonna make this as light as possible so I can just throw it off the roof. Or if it's light enough, I can carry it down. It should be just real lightweight metal once I've taken all the parts off of it. Water's just about out. I think I'm gonna take this side off next. Like butter. New O-Light. Link in the description. There you go, down below.
Down below.
Hopefully this goes smoothly. I think I gotta take these side panels off next. Time to answer the question, why do I have a small solar farm on my workbench? I'll put links down in the description. Bluetti is the name of the company that makes these solar panels. They sent them out to me at the beginning of summertime, and I've been traveling most of the summer off-grid, out in the middle of nowhere. Some of you know what I'm talking about who follow me on my super secret third social media channels. But I've been putting them to the test, so I've got some footage that I've taken at various times throughout the summer. So if you're interested in getting yourself some Bluetti solar panels or their power boxes, batteries, links will be in the description. Bluetti. If you want me to test anything else, you want me to put it on video, send it over. I approve of the solar panels. The AC200P has been working out great, and I will gladly take anything else off your hands and make a video on it. Water resistance of these Bluettis. They say they're water resistant. They're still bringing in solar right now. It's kind of crazy. It's raining out, but there's a little bit of blue sky. And we got about 17 watts coming in with 3 Bluetti 200 watt panels. Okay, that's the end of the video. We did it before sunset. It took about 2 hours. I was very surprised. Normally, when diving into a project like that, there's going to be unknowns. But that swamp cooler came right out. Had it out maybe 45 minutes. Cut some blocking, cut some OSB, nailed it all together, and put the new shingles on. Now, I know the comments are already full of people talking about my roofing. So this customer already has a check cashed from the insurance company for an entire new tear-off and re-roof. Gutters, downspouts. They even got all new siding from a hailstorm. The house is getting completely re-roofed. this coming summer. I got to remove a chimney. That will be next spring. It's a chimney. Yeah, they got lots of chimneys in this house, and you'll get to see it. It's very interesting. Brick chimney that goes out the roof all the way to the basement floor. I got to take out, patch that in. So I've been up there many times working on this roof, and you're going to see it again. And you're going to see some of the handyman's expert roofing skills, especially his repair skills. If you've watched the entire video, taking all the information that I've presented, please ask questions down below, and have a good day. And thank you to bluetti for sending out me 600 watts of solar. They've come in very handy throughout the entire summer. I'm actually folding them up and packing them and heading out again at 7 a.m. in the morning. Goodbye.